Reproductive isolation is an insurmountable barrier between different species on Earth. It is this reproductive isolation that gives rise to the diversity of species. Over 3.8 billion years of evolution, life on Earth has progressed from single-celled organisms to millions of species today. Throughout 5 major mass extinction events, many species were wiped out, but the survivors were the fittest. Life branched out from common ancestors, much like a towering tree spreading its limbs. The farther from the root, the more distinct the branches. Genetic relatedness significantly influences reproductive isolation. Humans and chimpanzees shared a common ancestor about 6 million years ago, but each has evolved separately since, and there is no evidence to suggest they can produce hybrid offspring. Reproductive isolation is classified into prezygotic and postzygotic barriers. Prezygotic barriers include geographic, ecological, and behavioral isolation. Postzygotic isolation refers to barriers that occur after fertilization, such as hybrid infertility. Differences in mating seasons or flowering periods can also lead to isolation. Species living in different environments may diverge into new species due to geographic isolation. Even closely related species living in the same area can develop reproductive isolation due to differences in diet and behavior. For example, various species of titmice living in the same forest forage and breed at different heights, leading to isolation. Reproductive isolation ensures the independence and genetic diversity of species. Different species cannot exchange genes, preserving biodiversity. Reproductive isolation is a crucial mechanism in biological evolution, enabling species to adapt to their environments. Natural selection favors the fittest for survival.